What is up, good people? Scramble here from Emotional Crypto Trading, and today I would like to introduce with you PrimeXBT exchange, where I'm about to enter my short on the Bitcoin after doing the technical analysis and having a very high probability rate on the domination by the short for the upcoming period. Therefore, I like to take advantage of this movement and go ahead on PrimeXBT to trade with a cross leverage, taking the maximum that is possible based on my available margin, which is 120, close to $25,000. I actually have 10.99 Bitcoins sitting there ready to be executed. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this trade as fast as we can, guys. 100 Bitcoins is something that I've already selected here for my size. And then I'm gonna go here on the left side where it says sell. Click on that. We got our size introduced, 100 Bitcoins for our amount. We're gonna sell the market. The impact is gonna be 1.75. Place stop loss and take profit. This is something you can always do and edit at any time, not just at the beginning when you open up your trade. And then send the order, basically something we're gonna do. Confirm it right now and get it done. There you go. That's beautiful, guys. We've been sorting it out and we put it on the live trading board. Now, the fill price was $3.50, and this is where the profit and loss relation is going to show up. Take profit and stop loss will show up over there as well whenever we introduce them. In the next couple of minutes, I'll do that, guys, because you always have to be prepared for the unexpected. Which could be, by the way, for the take profit, not only from the stop loss, a spike that could bring up the markets to, higher levels. If you go long, if you go short, a spike that would crash the markets and you would just take your profits out, it would be very, very good. So that's something I'm definitely suggesting you guys to make sure you have take profit and stop loss set prior to your trades. Great, so we're gonna get back, guys, when we have the results of this trade and talk about it. Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of this video, and this is the time we have reached the target, guys. So I'm about to share with you my exit right now on PrimeXBT live in front of your eyes. We are at 10,000, close to 800 bucks. The market has crashed just like we have predicted. We did bought into at 350 right here where you see this red dot line from where the market has crashed based on our technical analysis. The profit and loss is around 5.2 Bitcoins on this trade, which is massive. We're going to see exactly in US dollars how much is that. And right now I'm going to close my position. Close position. Confirm. There you go. My order has been filled. What do I have to do? Well, I do gotta go inside my account and share with you the trade. The trade looks like this: $57,252,000 on PrimeXBT. You can see when that we purchased right here, our 100 Bitcoins position. 11,350 price, just like you have seen earlier. On 12 p.m. and 16 minutes, while at 3 p.m. and 46 minutes, which is sort of away 3 hours and a half after we did entry, we have profited $57,252. That's all about this video presentation. Make sure to watch this till the end in order to find out more about my services, and feel free to consider checking out my coaching program as well as my trading based on commission. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check till the end.